My name is Duy Lam Nguyen. I studied as a Master in International Law at the Graduate Institute, and I graduated in 2014. There, I loved my time over there. I really loved the classes, the quality of the classes. I was really impressed by the teaching of the international professor. But more of that is what struck me really is the ability of the professor to push your boundaries regarding questions such as who we are, where we are, and where the world is going. And that was really striking for me. And besides that, I really love the campus. The campus is next to the lake. We're swimming between classes or after classes, enjoying the summer. And I really met really amazing students that became friends. Bright, driven students. It was really inspiring. And during my master, I had the chance to do an exchange semester at Harvard Law School. There I also had one of the best experiences in my life. I was able to participate in the Human Rights Clinic. We were able to go to South Africa for the 10th anniversary of the Kimberley Process, commonly known as the Blood Initiative process. And there we did some advocacy. We tried to improve this public and private partnership. And also during my master, I was able to do the internship at the International Law Commission of the United Nations, thanks to the Graduate Institute. So it really helped me along my careers afterwards. I really love the Professor Vinuales. He was teaching the class International Environmental Law, and he was really inspiring, and his teaching was really lively, very funny. He drew these very mind maps, which was really easy for us to understand and to remember. And every year with Professor Marcelo Cohen, they were organizing the International Law Barbecue. So we're doing an Argentinian barbecue near the lake here at the campus Villa Barton. And it was nice to meet professors and students in a more relaxed and entertaining way. Getting to meet each other, laugh around the drink, and so it was really good times. After my graduation, I worked for a few times at the Swiss Foreign Affairs, and then I worked for various Swiss national law firms, mostly in litigation, civil and criminal litigation, ranging from real estate to art law. And then I moved forward by creating my own law firm. And lately, I joined a law firm specialized in international criminal law and criminal law in general, ranging from robbery to assault to felony, and more on the international cases. My business partner, Sylvain Salvalainen and Nancy Hollander, are defending some Guantanamo case before international courts. Maybe you have watched the movie The Mauritanian. It has been Nancy Hollander is played by the actress Jodie Foster in that movie, where she's defending the Guantanamo Bay detainee Mohamedou Ould Slahi, and it's quite a fascinating movie, and I really highly recommend to watch it. The study at the Graduate Institute really brought me a lot of perspective. The interdisciplinary approach gave me different goggles to understand different fields and to question myself and to adapt myself and position myself in different areas. I was able to learn so many different international tribunal procedures and legal fields that are useful nowadays doing litigation at the international level. That was really interesting for me, and I really kept along my career. And also I had an amazing network now of different classmates or former alumni who are also working in the legal industry, but also elsewhere. And it's always useful to be able to message or call a friend or a former alumni to ask a few questions regarding different jurisdiction, which sometimes we are involved with cross-jurisdictional cases. It's really nice to be able tap into that network.